In the final step of our Getting Started series, we will start by accounting for our merchant fees. I want to sell my products through my online store, which requires me to process my customers' credit cards and debit cards. There are many merchants that you can use for these types of transactions. Two tech giants are Square and PayPal. I happen to use Square to process payments. Square currently charges 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Under Sales and Profit Summary, there is a cell under Merchant Fees. If I click it, the formula revealed shows 2.9% and the 30 cents. Here you want to change only the numbers to reflect your merchant fees. If your merchant charges only by a fixed percent or by a fixed dollar amount, you'll want to delete the irrelevant value. For example, if I was charged only a fixed percentage, I would remove the following information from the formula and vice versa. Now that our merchant fee is set, let's consider a cushion for our production time. Back in step 3, we recorded close to accurate times it takes to manufacture our product. Percent cushion allows us to take into consideration additional time, times before, between, and after creating our product. For example, moments like setting up for production, readying equipment, transitioning between spaces, cleaning, and other unforeseen tasks. I can simply update my percent cushion by typing in my number. My summary sheet is now complete. I can now take full advantage of the fulfillment feature by entering in my desired product units and updating my number of orders cell. I can now review my gross sales, manufacturing costs, fees, and gross profit. Just below that, I can see the approximate completion time with my percent cushion included, and also a helpful segmentation of my manufacturing costs. And with that, we come to the end of our Getting Started tutorial. Make sure to set the values of your unit entries and number of orders back to 0 to clear the slate. Congratulations! Your profit sheet is now fully functional. If you use this sheet and the information generated successfully, you'll be on your way to maximizing your earnings. You can use your sheet to make better decisions, including adjusting your raw material costs, discovering faster methods of production, and more. If you have more products, be sure to add them to your sheet. If necessary, you can revisit our Getting Started video series, steps 1 through 7. Thank you for using the Profit Sheet.